my friends, I'm here again. I've been trying to video this for a few times now, and I don't seem to be getting very far. Anyway, hope you're all well and welcome back to my channel. I'm just here to show you a couple of albums that I've made. This one and a Harry Potter one. The Harry Potter one is a bit of a gator mouth, which I wasn't very pleased about, but I didn't follow the instructions properly. I put my own things in. Anyway, this is a very nice, sorry, I know I'm saying it myself, a very nice recipe book that I followed on YouTube. I can't remember the people who I did, but as I have to do this video quite quickly as usual, I will put it in the description box. This is also not exactly as the woman was making it. So there's a plastic here thing so that your recipes don't get all dirty. I've made up some of my own recipe things, papers, for them to use to write their own recipes. This is basically Stamperia, but this was in my stash, these cards, so I added them too. And I put a lot of glossy accents on the different things. Hopefully you can see it all because it's quite big. Anyway, this side there's a pocket, there's another little booklet for recipes as well, and some more tags, and really it's all Stamperia, sweetie, okay, with glossy accents. There are more tags here, sorry, more tags here, and photo mats so they can photo their own recipes when they come out. Here I put an old Spanish recipe in from a recipe book because it said it was the chocolate English chocolate cake, so I thought that was quite good. So all of them have been glossy accented. These are all for recipes that you find in magazines and things, so you can tuck them in here. In fact, I've done this from another recipe book so that you can tuck it in there. Okay, so photo mats, and this is one of my pop-ups, I think. Yeah, okay, so it's a flip up. It's actually a flip up and a flip down. Sorry, I can't show you all properly, but you know how they go here. You've seen them all. This is a series of pockets, and I put in recipe cards. I put it in Spanish because obviously I live in Spain and I'm hoping to sell it here, maybe. Okay, I did a green one as well as a white one. Turn over and you get another big, well, not big, a little, this is a push up waterfall, so you push it up so you can get all the photos you want in there, and then it shuts down, and behind you can also put stuff if you want. I haven't got anything here that will maybe before a tag, so I think you can put things behind. Well, I thought you could, maybe not this way. Okay, and this is another page, similar. There are repeat pages with tags here. You have also recipe cards and the same little pockets to put your own recipes in if you want there. Okay, I'm turning over. You can see there are lots of photo cards here and the cards that come in that you cut apart and put in. Okay, this here is another lot of pockets for recipe cards. And finally I did a little bit of a flip up with, can you see the cakes? Well, not the cups, sorry. And then the recipes will open this way and that way. Okay, there's a little tiny booklet here. Sorry, it's not easy with this camera to do anything. With pink papers. Here is a little card, photo mat card. Okay, and the teapots are fussy cut out. Also, you can put things under here so you can have photos there too. And it came out quite nice, I think, in the end. Okay, so that's Stampira Sweetie. And here is, I think it's Art Deco's Harry Potter. And the postcards I bought in a pack from Amazon, and they are proper postcards so that you can send them off to people. The trim is from my stash, and the binding is wallpaper. They come from a wallpaper pack. This is one of the chipboard pieces that you cover from the papers. Okay, so if you open it up first, I put a page from the Harry Potter in and just a sticker here because it was getting too fat and it was supposed to have a pop-up, but the pop-up was too big and fat, so I put this pop-up instead. It's a little bit more simple, and there are the photo mats to be used. Here I did the flying envelopes, so they fly around. And also I saw an envelope that you open and you have the owl inside, Hedwig. It's on the YouTube channel. Just look for Hedwig pop-up. So here's another postcard. These are from little photo mats that I made up from the collection. And here is another one with Harry Potter going with in the motorbike. I'm going to leave those out because it's too much. See if I can move it up higher so that you can see. This is just a photo fold out too. Sorry, hitting the camera. Okay, and here I made a little pop-up with the train. Oh, I forgot. In each of the joints there is something. This is an envelope with the usual Harry Potter, and I found some money which I printed on different colour paper. Each of them has some kind of photo mat in between, and some of them are double and some of them are single because it was getting too fat. This I found on Etsy, and I put some jelly beans behind it. It's actually a box that you make up, but I put it here as a tuck spot. And you've got the ticket and the list. These are all found on Etsy, okay. And then I made a kind of pop-up here where you can put photos if you want, or photos over there. And inside there's another booklet, if I can get it out. I think it's got all the, yeah, this one's got all the ways of moving your wand. And here is Hermione with the boys, and these are photo mats too. Then you get the four houses, and here I think this is one of the doubles too I made with the extras of the paper. And here is another pop-up I made from the Hedwig envelope. I used the idea to make a snitch, and I had a bit of gold paper, so I made the snitch out of gold paper, and because it was all white on the back, I painted it gold on the back too. Some catapults from the paper line, and finally the waterfall that you I would have put the white things on for the photos, but don't think it's necessary. And as I say, it was becoming a little bit of a gator mouth, but I think it's nice, it's sturdy, and I'm quite pleased with both of the albums. I hope you like them. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.